We have cow. Very good. Clap your hands. Okay. So, we have cow. Cow eat plants. That's why it's herbivores. Cow don't eat meat. What else? Lion. Lion is not a herbivore. Lion is alive. Carnivore. Okay, sit down. Give me example of carnivores. Animals which is carnivores. Stand up. Okay, we have lion. Lion eat another animals. What else? Raise your hand. What else? Give me. Okay, stand up. Snake. Okay, very good. We have snake. Snake also eat another animal. So everyone clap their hands for both of them. Okay. How about omnivores? Eat plants and eat animals or another living things. Omnivores. Who wants to try? Okay. Give me one. Human. Okay, very good. We have human. Human eat meat and eat plants as well. Right? Now, what I want you to do is, this afternoon, I let you do activity Chemai. This one here is, alani, Cislas Chemai. I want you to give it back to your classmate 5. Give to your classmate. Okay? Give to your classmate.